Yo, so here is a look inside the art of Naughty Dog. So if you guys aren't able to make a guess, I did get it signed, as you see in the last video, and I do have an exclusive interview that's going to be going up there today as well. Oh, this is nice. Am I going to go through this whole book? The very first Naughty Dog. Let's go. Turn that autofocus on. This is like a little preview. The book is really thick, hard copy. You know, talking about games. That's all I like. But let me just show you. Look how many. Just skip to some good stuff. The Last of Us, Left Behind. That was dope. Okay, so one more time. This way, and then I'm going to do it back going the other way. Oh, I seen that. Y'all should, if y'all follow me, y'all would have seen a lot of this stuff. Oh. Today. Okay. Now you guys asking, hey, we didn't see the other pages? Got that. We're going to go back this way. Oh, dang, look at that. It's getting nasty out here. Alright, so here's this side. Quick flick lick. It's really late, so if you're asking like, hey, go through every page, whoa, that was a lot. I am going to go through it twice, but I am not going to go through every page. For that, you're going to have to, it got real sloppy in the end, my fault. Let's try that one more time. You guys are going to have to buy the book, or maybe you could win one. That's right, you heard me. And stay locked to my Facebook and my Instagram, which is J-Type Baby Tooth. Everything. Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Type in J-Type Baby Tooth and you will see me everywhere. Oh, that was like how they came alive. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The book retails for, what does it retail for? Wait, focus, Kenny Cam. Hold on. Alright, well, it retails for $39.99. So, when it focus, why won't it focus? So, there it is. That is a look at what's inside the artwork of Naughty Dog. Alright, you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow. 2 videos tomorrow. Unboxing of the Skull Candy headsets with a review. Yes, I still got to do those. And a new segment that I'm starting on my channel. Hey, Daddy. Let's talk about it. Something me and my son came up with. He always like talking about stuff. So stay tuned for that. 2 videos. I repeat, 2 videos tomorrow. 3 videos today. Naughty Dog 30th anniversary. I was there. Diddy was there. We liked it. Awesome. All right, you guys.